Hi there, my name's Callum, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how I made my first $1,000 for affiliate marketing through TikTok. I'll explain how I did everything in a step-by-step way, the problems I had, how I got around them, what I wish I knew before I started affiliate marketing, which I'm going to tell you, which probably would have made this whole process a lot easier. So I'm going to tell you how you can do this too, so stick all the way to the end for all the information, and please don't forget to headbutt that like button.
You know.
And hit that subscribe button just for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much. So when I actually say $1,000, it wasn't $1,000 total, it was $1,000 in one commission, which I guess is actually more impressive. But you're here for the $1,000 with affiliate marketing, so that's why I'm calling it that. Obviously, I've made more money with this strategy in affiliate marketing as a whole, but I thought I would tell you how I hit that first 1,000 so that you can do it too. So if you actually have no idea what affiliate marketing is, I'm explaining it very briefly, but make sure to hit the video that pops up top right of your screen to go to the full explanation of affiliate marketing so you can learn it in depth and how I started it in like 4 odd easy steps. So go watch that and then come back here pretty please. So affiliate marketing is essentially promoting someone else's product. And then you get paid based on the sales you have converted. So if I'm promoting a skateboard and someone buys a skateboard because I'm promoting it, I get paid. So first you have to pick a niche, which is like a theme, like a genre, like swimming, reading, writing, finance, whatever it is. And then you have to pick a product within that niche. So my niche is finance, making money online. So I found a course that teaches you how to start a business in a matter of like 15 odd days. So it fit directly into my niche. So you pick a product within that niche and then you pick a promotion strategy. So you pick a social media where you're going to promote this product through. And it doesn't have to be a social media, there has to be some sort of system that gets it in front of people's faces in order for them to buy the product. So when you start your social media, you can either pick one and just focus in on that, like TikTok or YouTube, or you can spread yourself across all of them and post on all of them individually, which creates omnipresence. And omnipresence is sort of people seeing you on all platforms, which I guess creates more reliability and makes you more of a real person. But when you spread yourself out across all the platforms, you have less sort of directed attention towards one, which may stunt your growth. And what I mean by that is if you spent months working on just TikTok, you'll probably get further on TikTok rather than spending months working on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, etc. And that's your choice of how to do that, whether you want to spread yourself across all of them or just direct on one. I personally just went full in on TikTok, grew my brand on TikTok, and then expanded to others such as YouTube, such as Instagram, and other stuff like that. The reason I chose TikTok was because it has such an easy algorithm to get your content in front of people's eyes. And all you need is really one video that blows up that isn't really hard to do, that can kickstart your whole career. And when all you have to do on TikTok is post sort of like 5-15-second videos throughout the day, it's really not that much of an effort. Obviously it goes into more detail than just posting 15-second videos, but I have videos all over my YouTube explaining how to grow your TikTok, how to start making money on TikTok, etc, etc. So go watch that to see how to build your following. So obviously you don't have to just use TikTok, you can use any social media platform you want, such as YouTube, as you're watching me on now, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, etc. The next thing I knew I needed to do to be successful with affiliate marketing is to build my following. And no, you don't have to be Addison Rae to do this at all. But if you looked at someone with 300 followers talking about a camera you should buy compared to 13,000 followers talking about a camera you should buy, you really trust a person with more followers just as they have more reliability, more followers, more trust. So although there is a way to do affiliate marketing without followers, having followers sort of builds credibility and adds to your success. And in the previous video I uploaded, I talked about how to build your following, the different tips and tricks I use to build my following, as I've said, so go watch that and then come back. And a few of the tips I talked about was things such as post as many times a day as you can. The more times you post, the more chances you have of blowing up. Post consistently around the same time each day. TikTok rewards this. Not 100% sure why, but you're keeping their customers on the platform. You want to try and find an equal balance between good, helpful content and what's known as shit posts, which is just viral content just to get people to your page. And try and hook people in on the first 3 seconds, as their attention span is so short and you need to sort of grab their attention and then explain what the rest of the video is about. So for example, if you're trying to sell a book, don't just say buy this book, it's so good. Make top 10 videos on the best book within that niche. As providing this kind of value to your customers gets them following you, gets them trusting you, and then they'll buy the books that you're talking about for a good reason. Yes, it may now be a week in the future and I may have a new top on, and I may have a dead trim, but the video goes on. And this is where I went wrong, because I thought just make hundreds and hundreds of TikToks, get tens and tens of thousands of views, hopefully, and say in each video, go to my bio to buy this product. And I know it's tempting to do this, as that's what you think will get you the money, but if you put yourself in the customer's shoes, then you'll know that they want to buy from someone with a good reputation rather than just a salesy voice. So what you've actually got to do is build a good reputation in the niche that you've chosen, so that when someone buys from you, they know that they're buying from the right person. But that's why it's good not to just bring audiences in with shit posts and get all the views, but also not bore them too much by reading a 2-page book review and just reading off bullet points of why the book's good and how it's going to benefit you, for example. Another thing I wish I did better when I started out is target your audience better. And what I mean by this is you've got to look at the product that you're promoting. Is it for teens, is it for adults, or is it for children? Hopefully not children, because you shouldn't really sell anything to children, but you get what I mean. Because you don't really want to make TikTok content that's just aimed at teenagers if then you're going to promote a website builder. because then you'll get the wrong audience, you might get the views, but you won't get the results. So build a following, provide value, create story, and create trust and relationship between you and your audience. But no, although that will get you some sales, it won't get you all the sales. Next step is to provide more value to your audience and then prove yourself. And I did this personally by doing a giveaway of what I was promoting. So I set up a Discord group, invited people to the Discord group to enter the giveaway, and then I gave it away on a certain day. This doesn't only get people to your Discord group, which you can talk about, promote more stuff to, but it creates more of a community. And if people don't win the thing that you're giving away, they get FOMO, which you've got to take advantage of. Fear of missing out. And if they feel like they've missed out, then they'll buy it anyway, so it's a win-win. It all sort of just flows in together. Another thing you need to do is expand to more social medias, creating that omnipresence, such as Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat if you want, because then you can use your original platforms such as TikTok, such as YouTube, as traffic to those other platforms. For example, you say in your TikTok video, subscribe to me on YouTube, which I'm sure is the reason that a lot of you have come here today. And remember, when creating your omnipresence, it's also important to stay active, reply to DMs, engage with content creators similar to you. But why should you do this? Why should you reply to DMs? I know it may feel pointless if you're just talking to someone and then they piss off, but there will be the occasional person, like how I made my first $1,000, that had no idea what affiliate marketing was. I introduced them to the product, taught them a little bit about it. They went through the whole training and then bought the high ticket sale. So that is how I did it and made my mucho money. So I built a brand, provided value, created content, continue to reply to DMs over and over and over and over again. And it will get tiring, but trust me, it'll be worth it in the end. But it was worth it in the end because I've made money, I've created my own personal finance brand. And those are really what I would say is the key steps to success. Obviously, it'll be different for everyone and you really got to take your own hit at it. But I hope that taught you something. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe and like, and stay here for my next video because I'm going to be teaching you how to start investing as a complete beginner in the crypto market. So if that sounds like a good video idea for you, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss it. Thank you so much for being here. Please comment down below and what videos you'd like to see next, and I'll see your faces next time.